Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Wakefield with another video, and this sweepstakes is just highly popular. So a lot of people want $1,000 gift card. You can enter to win you $1,000 Walmart gift card. All you gotta do is enter your email address and click next, and you're gonna have to answer a couple questions, and that's it. It's just that simple. Uh, this thing right here, I mean, people just love this $1,000 Walmart gift card. So I thought I'd do a video about it, and I know a lot of people love Walmart and they can get a lot of stuff with $1,000 at Walmart. So, with that being said, just like I say, put your email in there, go to next, answer a couple questions, and boom, you'll have a chance to win you $1,000 Walmart gift card. I'm gonna put the link below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that like button, and y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Peace.